Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com, and this is going to be your stock watch list for Monday, the 9th of July. Right, let's just take a quick look at the SPY chart for Friday. We had the jobs number come out. We got a nice push for the bulls up on the SPY. We held above the 50 SMA, the dark blue line you see right here. Also, we are kind of in a trend up market. We held above this 270 area on the SPY, so looks good for the bulls. We'll see if we get any more further continuation this week. And remember, we still do have all that tariff talk going on between the United States and Canada, Mexico, between China and also Europe. So a lot of things out there on our plate. But if you take a look quickly at the VIX down here with a 13 handle. Market doesn't seem too concerned about it right now, so we'll just go with the flow. If you look at the futures right now, it's about 6 minutes after 6, so the futures just opened up. It's very early in the session. Dow futures up 12, S&P futures up 1, NASDAQ futures up about 4 on the overnight session that just now started up. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at some stocks I'll be watching for Monday. And for the next couple of days maybe. First one up is this ATOS. All right, diagnostics research. By the way, the IBB was very strong on Friday. A lot of that came from BIIB, but a lot of biotechs were getting some buying, so just a heads up on that. So ATOS, about 800,000 shares. It's a diagnostics research. It's been beaten down, trying to get up over this $3 area. Has the 50 SMA in the way. Some expanding volume here, but a lot of fits and starts. So not a top one, but might be one to watch for Monday and the week ahead. ATVI, possible swing trade in this name. The high on Friday was 77.48, so maybe over that 77.65 number, 77.70. Keep an eye on that ATVI, possible swing trade. BBOX, by now, the news out on this one is they got a contract. Is Facebook involved? So this one, nice pop. In the after hours on Friday was grinding a little bit higher. Gave the R service some nice trades in it last week, so this one will definitely be on watch for tomorrow and most likely the rest of the week on SBOX. As you can see here, we're coming up to the 50 SMA, which is currently about that $2.23 mark, and the volume, you can see big expanding volume here, over 62 million shares on Friday in BBOX, so keep that one on watch. Cara holding up well, holding above 19, trying to get up and hold above 20 here on Cara. Volume Friday a little bit light. But all it does is take a break of this 20 spot, and you might get volume coming in on Cara. It's a biotech name. Keep an eye on that one. CLSN, also a biotech name. Volume a little bit light on this one, but you see back here we had this big expanding volume. We're kind of in this pennant or flag pattern here. The high on Friday was 326, so maybe over that 327, 330 area. CLSN, like I said, it's in the biotech sector. So keep an eye on that one. CVEO, business services, trying to get up over 450. Did it once before. It was rejected back here at 457. So maybe over 460. On this one, 1.1 million shares came in on that name. DDD holding up. Now, it's had a nice run from 9 to about $15. So we'll see on this one. Maybe for a little bit of a pullback and then an entry on Triple D, 3D Systems. DEST holding up since the big move up after their earnings. Trying to get up over the 10 SMA here. High on Friday was about 619. Volume about 600,000 shares. Keep an eye on that one. DFBG had giving our chat room nice trades during the week, holding above the 5 EMA, holding above $5, 1.9 million, and then you can see the other days of expanding volume here on DFBG, apparel manufacturing, EKSO. This one looks like it might want to go, trying to get up over $2. The high on Friday was 203. Over the weekend, there's this article by the BBC on EKSO, exoskeleton that allows humans to work and play longer. So that might give EKSO a nice move up for the week ahead and maybe on Monday. So keep an eye on that one. FATE, Fate, starting to turn the corner here. The high on Friday was $12.58. Volume a little bit light in Fate. That's the one thing I don't like about it, but volume can always come in, so keep an eye on that one. FOLD, also another biotech name, moving up this week on Friday, and 1635 high on Friday, 1.9 million shares. Like that volume, a little bit better than FATE. Keep an eye on Fold, Garmin, GRMN, turning the corner here, getting up over the 20 SMA, possible swing trade in this name, wearable exercise devices and whatnot. HOLX, medical instruments, getting out of this range here. Had a high on Friday of 41.27, closed at 41.09, so held most of the gains. 1.6 million shares on HOLX. Keep that one on watch. Joan, Jone, a small little oil stock, trying to get up over the 50 SMA and that 50-cent number. 6.4 million shares came into Jone. Microsoft starting to turn the corner again here. Possible swing trade in that one. Keep an eye on Microsoft. Also, CRM looking very good too, trying to get up over this 142.12 area on CRM. Keep that on your watch. OPK, a nice pop, 10.6 million shares. Now, granted, it's had a run from 3 all the way up to near that 550 level, so maybe a bit extended here, but nice pop volume on Friday. Pran, another one with biotech name with nice volume on Friday. Got as high as 291. Got closed at 259. You see the expanding volume here, so definitely one to watch on an intraday basis. Roku holding up very well here, has that 4750 number up ahead on Roku, so keep an eye on that 4750. Now TPIV is a very low volume stock, 218,000 shares. That's something I don't like about it, but it did get some buying on Friday. Biotech name. The high on this name was $10.31. Now it did have a pretty big spreads in it, so that was another caveat on this TPIV. The other thing is this stock has come from $3 all the way up to close to 11, so not a favorite, but maybe keep it on watch for an intraday trade. Urban holding up in the retail space. All right, Urban, we have 4650 up ahead. Might want to keep an eye on that. VEON, nice move up, still below the 200 SMA. Nice volume coming into this name, maybe on an intraday basis. VLRX trying to turn the corner here. 1.8 million shares. Has that $1.79, $1.80 area, closed just below $1.75, but did get above the 50 SMA on VLRX. We'll see if that one wants to make a move intraday. WTI, an oil name, turning back up. 750 number up ahead, over 750 looks interesting for a swing. 3.5 million on WTI. XBIO, we got some nice trades in this one on the last week. So closed at 529, has that 605 $6 area up ahead. 5.3 million shares in this name on Friday. Keep that one on watch. YEXT, a software company, the $20 number up ahead. Another one that's had a big move from 12 all the way up to 20. It consolidates a little bit, then makes another move up. Possible swing trade in that name. Yuma, small little oil company, trying to fill the gap here on Yuma. It's an under 75-cent name, 1.2 million. Not a favorite. I think I like JONE a little bit better, so keep an eye on either one of those. Next up, we have ZS, all right, recent IPO on ZS. Here's the weekly chart holding above the 10 SMA on the weekly. ZS held this 34 area. The high on Friday was 38.78. We closed at 38.01. So keep an eye on this one for a possible swing trade move or intraday move on ZS, Zscaler. All right, everybody, this is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. By the way, this is going to be the last day. All right, for the if you want to join our service and get your first month for $19.95. Normally we charge $44.95, but it's the summer. We're running a special, so for $19.95, you could come be in the Omnovia chat room for 1 month, 30 days for $19.95. Just type in where you see Join Zozo today. Click on that in the coupon code section. Type in Happy Summer. All right, happy summer, and that'll lower this first month for you down to $19.95. Everybody have a great day trading tomorrow. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. Hope you take advantage of this summer special that we're running, $19.95 for your first month for zozostockwatch.com.